Let's continue. Y is equal to 3 minus 3x divided by open bracket 1 plus x close bracket raised to the power 2. Find the y dx. That is, we are asked to differentiate u with respect to x. Now let's solve this question together. Solution. We are given y is equal to 3 minus 3x divided by open bracket 1 plus x close bracket raised to the power 2. Find the y dx. That is, we are asked to differentiate y with respect to x. Now, whenever we are given a question like this that looks like a fraction and we are asked to differentiate, we'll make use of quotient rule. What does quotient rule state? Quotient rule states that dy dx is equal to v du dx minus u dv dx divided by v square. Now we know that y is equal to u over v. Y is equal to u over v. So that means u is equal to 3 minus 3x. Now let's differentiate u with respect to x. So du dx is equal to, if we differentiate constant, it gives us 0. 3 is constant, so we differentiate 3 to give us 0. Now minus 3x. Now there's an invisible 1 here. So 1 times minus 3 times x raised to the power 1 minus 1. X raised to the power 1 minus 1 to give us x raised to the power 0. X raised to the power 0 is 1. So minus 3 times 1 minus 3. Minus 3. So du dx is equal to minus 3. Now v is equal to open bracket 1 plus x close bracket raised to the power 2. Now we are asked to find dv dx. dv dx is equal to, now I'm going to be using our simplest formula to find chain rule, because this looks is a chain rule. There's an invisible 1 here. So 2 times 1, 2. 2 open brackets. We are going to write what is inside the bracket. 1 plus x close bracket raised to the power 2 minus 1 times. Now we're going to differentiate what is inside the bracket. If we differentiate constant to give us 0. Now plus x. There's an invisible 1 here and there's an invisible 1 here. So 1 times 1, 1. 1 times x raised to the power 1 minus 1. X raised to the power 1 minus 1 is x raised to the power 0. X raised to the power 0 is 1. So 1 times 1, 1. 1. So dv dx is equal to 2 times 1, 2. 2 open bracket 1 plus x close bracket 2 minus 1 is 1. 1. So dv dx is equal to, now let's open this bracket. 2 times 1, 2. 2. 2 times plus x plus 2x plus 2x. Now du dx is equal to minus 3 and dv dx is equal to 2 plus 2x. Like, share and comment. Please share this video and follow my page. Now let's simplify further. Now I'm going to substitute to find dy dx. dy dx is equal to, now v here is open bracket 1 plus x close bracket raised to the power 2. Open bracket 1 plus x close bracket raised to the power 2 times du dx. Du dx is minus 3 times minus 3 minus u. U here is 3 minus 3x. Open bracket 3 minus 3x close bracket times dv dx. dv dx is 2 plus 2x. Open bracket 2 plus 2x close bracket divided by, now v is 1 open bracket 1 plus x close bracket square. So open bracket 1 plus x close bracket square because it's v square. Now let's simplify further. So dy dx is equal to, now let's open this bracket, let's bring this minus 3 here, minus 3 open bracket 1 plus x close bracket open bracket 1 plus x close bracket. Now let's open, we're going to open this bracket because open bracket 1 plus x close bracket raised by 2 is 1 plus x in 2 places minus, now let's open this bracket, open bracket 3 times 2 6 3 times plus 2x plus 6x plus 6x minus 3x times 2 minus 6x minus 6x minus 3x times plus 2x minus times plus minus 3x times 2x 6x square close bracket divided by open bracket 1 plus x close bracket square close bracket square. Now dy dx is equal to minus 3 open bracket. Now let's open this bracket. 1 times 1 1 times plus x plus x plus x times 1 plus x plus x times plus x square close bracket. Now let's use this minus to multiply through. Plus 6x minus 6x is 0. So minus times 6 minus 6 minus times minus 6x square minus times minus plus, so it gives us plus 6x square divided by open bracket 1 plus x close bracket square all in square. Now dy dx is equal to minus 3 open bracket 1 plus x times x plus x 2x plus x square close bracket minus 6 plus 6x square divided by open bracket 1 plus x close bracket square all in square. Like, share and comment. Like, share and comment. Please share this video. Like, share and comment. So dy dx is equal to, now let's use minus 3 to multiply this. Minus 3 times 1 minus 3 minus 3 times plus 2x minus times plus minus 3 times 2x 6x minus 3 times plus x square minus times plus minus 3 times x square 3x square minus 6 plus 6x square divided by open bracket 1 plus x close bracket square all in square. So dy dx is equal to, now let's collect like terms. Minus 3x square plus 6x square, it gives us 3x square minus 6x minus 6x minus 3 minus 6 minus 9 divided by open bracket 1 plus x close bracket square all in square. This is our final answer. Divide the x is equal to 3x squared minus 6x minus 9 divided by open bracket 1 plus x close bracket square all in square.